Hello everyone, this is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. Today's lesson is about the part 3rd or chapter 3rd from the parts of speech, that is your verb. In this lesson we are going to discuss about verb and its type also, especially helping verb, about transitive verb, about intransitive verb. And at the end of this lesson you will be able to define the helping verbs, and especially I'm going to tell you how to use these helping verbs in a different sentences. The word or the helping verb which I'm going to explain you, those are am, is, are, was, were, has, have and had. So at the last you will came to know all these the differences where you have to use it, and you will be easily identify the helping verb as well as the main verb in the given sentences, and more important about the transitive verb, intransitive verb, and how to identify the forms of verb V1, V2, V3. So before moving forward to our explanation, who are new on this channel, kindly subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Now look towards your verb. Verb means kriya. अब verb होता क्या है? This is the third part of parts of speech. So see that definition. Action words or doing words. या तो action words या फिर doing words. See, there is a one punctuation marks that called your slash. Action words or doing words are called verbs. Means a verb that shows something or someone does are called verb, or we can say that a verb is a word which says something about a person or a thing. In short way, doer is doing some actions, means जिसमें आप कोई actions करते हो या आपके जो action words होते हैं या जिसमें आप काम कर रहे हो कुछ, उन्हें आपको verb कहते हैं. Means in short way, what is a verb? Your action words and your doing words are called verb. Now let's take example of verb. You can see the examples. He writes a letter, they go to the market, Renu eats a lot, Anu was crying badly, Ruchi plays with her doll. Now see that the first examples. He writes a letter. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Action क्या हो रहा है? Write. ही तो कोई action नहीं हो रहा. What is the formula of making a sentence? SVO. Subject, verb, object. If I will divide the first sentence in this formula, this will be SVO. It means subject, verb, object. See, verb means earlier I told action words or doing words. He writes a letter. Write is a action word. Doing, इसमें काम हो रहा है. Action हो रहा है. So write will be your verb. Let's move to our second sentence. They go to the market. They go to the market. Again SVO if you will try. What will be? Go is a action. So go is a verb. Same with as your third sentence as well as 4, 5. Means in short, what is a verb? Action words or doing words are called your verb. Means which we do actions or where we do something. That called your verb. Now types of verb which I am going to tell you. So the first verb, that is your helping verb. It can also be called auxiliary verb. जो पहला verb हम describe करने वाले हैं उसका नेम है हेल्पिंग वर्ब, जिसे आप ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब भी बोलते हो. हिंदी में व्हाट वी कॉल्ड इट सहायक क्रिया. सी द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, प्रियंका इज डूइंग हर होमवर्क. अभी हमने पढ़ा था वर्ब. वर्ब क्या होता है? एक्शन वर्ड्स और डूइंग वर्ड्स. अब इसमें से एक्शन क्या हो रहा है? हर, होमवर्क, प्रियंका, क्या हो रहा है एक्शन? डू. मीन्स डूइंग इज योर वर्ब. ओके, डूइंग इज योर वर्ब. Priyanka is a subject, her homework is your object. But what is? Is यहाँ पे क्या है? Priyanka is a subject and you know what are the rest others. Now what is here? Is a helping verb. Now what is a helping verb or auxiliary verb? They help the main verb to describe action. ये बताते हैं किसी main verb को कि वो action कब हुआ, present में हुआ, past में हुआ, future में हुआ. So means they are the helping verb. They help the main verb. Now what is the main verb? Main verb आपका जो action words होते हैं. Means doing is your main verb and is your helping verbs. They help the main verb to frame a sentence. Now let's see the second example. Ram is going to the market. What is the action word here? Go means जाना. So going will be your main verb. Going will be the main, then what will be is your helping verb, because it is helping to a main verb to frame the sentence and telling the action which is doing in present, past or future. And how one more important thing about the helping verb, they always come before the main verb. ये हमेशा main verb के आगे आते हैं किसी भी sentence में. And together what we call them? Helping verb plus main verb, that total we call verb phrase. इन दोनों को साथ में क्या बोला जाता है? Verb phrase. Now let's move towards how many helping verbs we were having. So these are your helping verbs. In today's videos, I'm going to explain few verbs there which are ticked. These all helping verbs I'm going to describe in this video. Now let's move to our first helping verb. The first three that I had taken is MR. Is a these all are came into under the present action. आपके present action पे ये based होते हैं. See that first one is आप use करते हैं singular के साथ जब आपका subject singular होता है, like he, she, it or any name. Example is you can see that he is playing with my car. He यहाँ पे singular है तो उसके साथ क्या use हुआ है? Is. आपकी helping verb use होगी is. Second M के साथ I आता है. I is a plural but still it is count in M. I am writing this letter. Third that is your R plural के साथ. Plural जितने भी words होते हैं you, we, they, like they are going to school. It means is आपका used होता है singular के साथ, M used होता है I के साथ and R used होता है आपका plural के साथ. सिंगुलर के वर्ड्स होते हैं he, she, it और प्लूरल के वर्ड्स होते हैं I, we, you, they, but still I is count with M. Next, second that is your past action was and were. Now which word come in was which are singular means he, she, it. Example as you can see that he was going to school. वो स्कूल जा रहा था. वर के साथ आते हैं प्लूरल वाले वर्ड्स I, we, you, they, like they were playing with my toys yesterday. वो मेरे टॉय के साथ कल खेल रहे थे. मीन्स वॉज आपका सिंगुलर के लिए यूज होता है, वर आपका प्लूरल के लिए यूज होता है. द थिंग इज दैट यू मस्ट नो विच वर्ड कम इनटू सिंगुलर एंड विच कम वर्ड इनटू प्लूरल. नाउ नेक्स्ट हैज, हैव एंड हैड. Has you can see that this is used in singular. Singular I already told you that about that he, she, it. He has done his homework. उसने अपना काम कर लिया है. Have another second that is your plural. Plural means that again I, we, you, they. We have done this work. And had comes in both purpose, singular as well as the plural. But the sentence should be in your past tense. She had gone to her home. वो अपने घर जा चुकी है. Means has it used for your singular, have used for your plural, and had came for both singular and plural. But the thing that is your past sentence means past tense. Now the next does, do and did. Now see that does is used in singular. Singular mean he, she, it. Example is you can see that he does not write a letter. But does always come into your negative sentence. ये कभी भी आपके assertive या affirmative जो simple positive statement होता है उसमें कभी नहीं आता. ये हमेशा negative आता है simple present में. Second that is your do. Do आता है आपके plural words के साथ. Do आपका एक helping verb की भी यूज कर सकता है और कभी कभी main verb में भी यूज हो सकता है. Like have भी आपका main verb यूज हो सकता है. They did not write a letter. उन्होंने letter नहीं लिखा. नेक्स्ट डिड. अब डिड क्या होता है? लाइक एज, हैड. ये आपके दोनों उसमें यूज होता है सिंगुलर एज वेल एज द प्लूरल. बट इफ योर सेंटेंस इज इन पास्ट टेंस लाइक द एग्जांपल एज यू कैन सी दैट शी डिड नॉट गो देयर. वो वहां नहीं गई. इट मीन्स जो आपका डज होता है वो आपका सिंगुलर सेंटेंस में यूज होता है जिसमें वर्ड्स आपका सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर होता है. प्लूरल होता है आपका डू. And third one that is your did which came into both singular as well as the plural. And if the subject or if the sentence full sentence is in your past tense only in that case did is coming to use to in this sentence. Now last that is will and shall. See where we are going to use will basically आपके future tense में use होता है. But here that where remaining S and P means first move towards shall. Shall होता है same will and shall that came to in future tense. I and we, I और we जो word होता है उसमें आपका shall यूज होता है. Example that you can see that we shall finish our work today. हमें अपना काम आज ही कर लेना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट विल मीन्स रिमेनिंग, SNP मीन्स रिमेनिंग सिंगुलर और प्लूरल. इन दोनों के अलावा जितने भी आपके सिंगुलर प्लूरल के हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स होते हैं उसके साथ आप विल यूज करते हो. बट समटाइम्स वी ऑल्सो यूज विद आई ऑल्सो व्हेन वी हैव टू एम्फसाइज आवर सेंटेंस. जब हमें अपनी बात पे जोर देना होता है, लाइक आई विल डू माई वर्क, आई विल गो देयर, आई एम कन्फर्म, जिसमें आपका कन्फर्मेशन होता है. लाइक शी विल गो टू द मार्केट, वो मार्केट जाएगी. सो शी इज अ सिंगुलर, तो सिंगुलर फॉर वी आर गोइंग टू यूज विल. And rest shall, I and we, but sometimes I also came with your will when we have to emphasize our talk or our sentence, whatever we are going to speak. So this is all about today's explanation, helping verb. I hope that you all understand all the helping verb in a very easy and clear way, and at the end of this lesson you all came to know the difference between is, am, are, was, were, where you have to use it, and what is verb, and how to identify the verb, main verb, helping verbs in a particular sentence. So for about today's explanation only this much is there. Rest I'll be covering in my next video about the transitive verb and intransitive verb, and rest more others about the parts of the verb. So this is all about today's video. If you understand the video, like it, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more update. But if you're having any problem regarding to any particular helping verb, what you guys have to do, you have to write in the comment section and I'll provide you the solution there also. So that's it all about today.